Fibria is the world's leading producer of eucalyptus pulp. It operates in 246 municipalities across 6 Brazilian states. It exports to 37 countries in 5 continents. Many people still don't understand the importance of planted forests for the planet. Their relation with the preservation of nature, with the creation of opportunities for neighbors, and the promotion of well-being and health among people. How about you? Do you know the true value of planted forests? So look around and draw your own conclusions.
Thinking of the future of the coming generations, and Fibria increasingly is a part of this process of recovering degraded areas, planting, guiding, isolating. It means enabling native forests to return to their past territory. I think it's a project that all of us as people must be concerned about. There was a time in the past, during the country's development, when deforestation was kind of encouraged. And now we can see that restoration is necessary. Well, the region of Aracruz before Fibria was basically composed of sawmills. When Fibria established itself here and started to develop eucalyptus forests, wood preparation and then the production unit, the city started to see substantial growth here in the state of Espírito Santo and in the region around Aracruz. Today, the city of Aracruz owes what it is to Fibria because they were pioneers, explorers, and they represent something very important for us in the region. In terms of growth, whether economical or financial. So many aspects in which they are very important. It's very rewarding to know that the process in which I participate, this raw material called pulp, will be transformed into finished products. And then knowing that I participated in it, I'm happy to be part of this company called Fibria.
Fibria believes that companies should participate in the development of transformative solutions for a more just and sustainable society. And this film aimed to show through real-life stories how planted forests can be a source of life, shared value, and well-being of people. This is in our nature.